Welcome to Thomson Medical Signature 8. Our specially designed maternity membership programs, First and Subsequent Born Incentive, gives you access to member rates and exciting member privileges. All patients and their families can also sign up for a Thomson Celebrating Life membership at no cost. Gain access to a wide range of ways to improve your health and lifestyle. Choose how to redeem your points for rewards and take charge of your medical appointments. Drinking hot soup before breastfeeding is known to help increase your milk supply. The fish and papaya soup is packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals to aid in production of breast milk and is served mid-morning to all mothers. We support your confinement traditions. All mommies can request for our complimentary long gun and red date tea after delivery. Consultation with a lactation consultant can be arranged who will support and assist you to breastfeed successfully and confidently. Inquire with Parent Craft Center at 6251-4090 for details. Build your confidence for a good start to your parenthood journey. Our nurses will ensure that you receive hands-on training on essential baby care. Need some mom or baby care products? Simply scan the QR code available in-room to receive an online shopping voucher for ThomsonBaby.com. We are glad to be a part of your new bundle of joy. Our nurses will assist you to carry your baby and accompany you to the hospital lobby on your way home. Our Thomson Angel nurses will follow up in 48 hours and 1 month post-discharge on how you are coping with your new baby, and if you need further assistance with breastfeeding. Wait, that's not all. All mommies will be entitled to a Mommy's Essential Utility Bag, packed with useful mommy and baby products from Thomson's partners to kickstart your parenthood journey. All inpatient meals will be using gourmet specialty rice, Kinmei Mai, imported from Japan to provide optimal nutrition to mothers. Freshly served in all inpatient meals, Kuwabara's barramundi is 5 times higher in omega-3 than selected whitefish varieties. With better nutrition to assist in recovery and brain development, it is great for breastfeeding mothers and toddlers alike. During your stay, all Thomson mommies can enjoy an exclusive photo set of your new baby. Simply scan the QR code available in-room for more information. Storing your baby's cord blood at birth provides a lifetime of protection for the family. Packages available for Thomson mommies. Sign up for your cord blood banking with CryoViva and receive your firstborn or subsequent born incentive membership. Visit the CryoViva counter at Thomson Medical Centre to find out more. To welcome your bundle of joy, all Thomson mommies and babies will receive the My Joyful Bundle insurance plan for your protection. Babies are given medical insurance. Firstborn incentive and subsequent born incentive members get 12 months coverage, while non-members get 6 months coverage. Life insurance for 12 months is also given to all mommies who deliver at Thomson Medical Centre. Find out more at maternity.thomsonmedical.com.